The Multitech 1620 SS features a patent-pending guillotine cut method incorporated with the popular circular saw. This one-operator machine is designed to increase your production, decrease your maintenance costs, and streamline your firewood business. The 1620 SS is purpose-built to cut and split raw logs at up to 16 inches in diameter by 20 feet long. This machine is built with many of the same great features as the larger Multitech machines, including joystick operator controls, a circular cut-off saw, 3-strand hydraulic folding log deck with paddle stars, turbo diesel engine, rugged built steel frame, electric brakes, and a mobile package for customers looking to move from site to site. The 1620 SS will process firewood fast. With a 4.5-second splitter cycle and an ultra-fast circular saw, this machine is capable of producing up to 3 cords of firewood per hour. When processing small diameter logs, the machine operator can quickly cut 3 to 5 log rounds and split them all at the same time to increase production. With a 40-inch circular saw instead of traditional saw chains, the machine can cut up to 500 cords of firewood before the carbide tip saw teeth need to be changed. The 40-inch circular saw is better suited than a bar and chain for dirty logs, frozen logs, and low moisture content logs. Optional equipment for the 1620 SS include an operator seat, night processing lights, an integrated 13-foot or 15-foot conveyor, or a 30-foot separate stacking conveyor for loading semi-trailers. The machine is available with 35 horsepower Kubota or Yanmar diesel engines. For use in the European Union, the machine is also available with a CE certification package. Call today to see how a Multitech 1620 SS can streamline your operation, reduce operating costs, and add dollars to your company's bottom line.